out, cops. Now I got something for you. Let's start with rights of the no objects of the code. This code intends to embrace rules applicable to the prevention and prosecution of offense against the laws of the state of Texas, and to make the rule of procedure in respect to the prevention and punishment of offenses intelligible to the officer who are to act under them and to all persons whose rights are affected by them. I'm going to skip down to number 4 and 5 because that's what matters to my case. To bring to the investigation of each offense on the trial all the evidence tending to produce conviction or acquittal. Number 5, to ensure a fair and impartial trial. That means with the video we have of Keisha Richardson refusing to turn in the evidence to Mike Criswell. She violated that law. Let me give you the acts. Acts 1965, 59th Legislature, Volume 2, page 317, Chapter 722. I've got more. This one against the District Attorney, Mike Criswell. This is my favorite one if you don't know that. Duties of the District Attorney, Article 2.01. Each district attorney shall represent the state in all criminal cases in the district courts of his district and in appeals therefore, except in case where he has been, before his election, employed adversely. When any criminal proceeding is had before an examining court in his district or before a judge upon habeas corpus, and he is notified of the same, and is at this time within the district, he shall represent the state therein unless prevented by other official duties. It shall be the primary duty of the prosecuting attorney, including any special prosecutors, not to convict, but to see that justice is done. They shall not suppress facts or secret witnesses capable of establishing the innocence of the accused. Acts 1965, 59th Legislature, Volume 2, page 317, Chapter 722, amended by Acts 1981, 67th Legislature, page 801, Chapter 291, Section 98, effective September 1st, 1961. In short, Mike Criswell, the video of you refusing the evidence to turn in for my daughter makes you a fucking criminal, you worthless bastard. Next. This will be preventing offenses by the acts of a magistrate or officer's education concerning consequences of certain offenses. This will be Article 6.02, threat to take a life. If within the hearing of the magistrate, one person shall threaten to take the life of another, including that of a spouse or himself, the magistrate shall issue a warrant to the arrest of the person making the threat. Or in case of emergency, he may himself immediately arrest such person. Acts 1965, 59th Legislature, Volume 2, page 317, Chapter 722. Amended by Acts 1979, 66th Legislature, page 366, Chapter 164, Section 1, effective September 1st, 1979. Now, before I read this one to you, let me go ahead and tell you I don't believe for a second grand jury did this. I believe Mike Criswell was a lying piece of crap and never told the grand jury I was actually there. But because my lawyer is a piece of crap also and lied with them, I'm going to go ahead and read you the law. Grand jury, Article 20A.104, persons who may address grand jury. No person may address grand jury about a matter before the grand jury other than the attorney representing the state, a witness, or the accused or suspected person of the attorney for the accused or the suspected person if approved by the attorney representing the state. Added by Acts 2019, 86 Legislature, RS Chapter 469, HB 4173, Section 1.04, effective January 1st, 2021. Which in effect means when you denied me my right to grand jury, I was falsely arrested, falsely imprisoned, And Mike Criswell, you're a lying piece of shit. I was allowed to be there. Anyone who needs this is a $35 book off Barnes & Noble. I recommend every inmate get it. Now, because I can, I was told I probably shouldn't, but I'm going to do it anyway because I don't like you, Mike. I'm going to attach a screenshot of Jackie Atkinson talking to Jean Ann, which is Kelsey's mother, confessing that he had a conversation with Mike Criswell, agreeing that if he falsely laid another felony on me, that Kelsey would have nothing to worry about in her next hearing with me against my child custody case with her. So we're going to attach that. And before you try your little bullshit, Mr. District Attorney, his word was good enough to prosecute me. So how are you going to say his word ain't good enough when he's telling on you? This has been Michael Merritt. Y'all have a good day.